This gadget may look like a kettle, but instead of boiling water for tea, it blasts out steam hot enough to melt grease and dirt, and it kills 99% of germs without a single chemical. And we're going to start with the steam cleaning of the kitchen sink. Now, this steam cleaner does a great job at loosening grime in the sink and killing any bacteria, along with keeping my drain smelling clean and fresh. Now, there's nothing wrong with wiping down the kitchen counters, that's totally fine. But did you know that steam kills 99.9% of bacteria? So you can rest assured that a good steam will disinfect the countertops without the need for harsh chemicals. Now, for the microwave and the oven, baked on grease, dried spills, that mystery black stuff at the bottom of your oven. Now, with this steamer, this can soften it up. So all you need to do is just wipe it away instead of all that crazy scrubbing. Now, kitchen cabinets, have you ever noticed how cabinet doors love collecting grease and dust? Now, steam will melt away all of this, leaving your cabinets looking fresh without ruining any of the finish. Next, we have windows and mirrors. Now, steam cleaning your windows, I personally find, helps speed up the process by loosening the dirt and grime, therefore making the wiping them down much easier, be it with a microfiber cloth or a squidgy. Now for your upholstery and sofas. Now, if you've, like me, managed to spill tea, left dried in chocolate on the couch from a Saturday night movie, or you have a mysterious stain that appears out of nowhere, a steam clean will penetrate that fabric and lift those stains, and it dries quickly too, so your couch isn't left wet for hours. Now, for curtain and fabric blinds, they do have this habit of collecting so much dust. But with a steam clean, you can also freshen them up. It also can remove creases, as I'm doing here, so there's no need for ironing before putting them up. Now, in the bathroom, we have tile and grout, which, we all know how much the grout loves to hold on to that dirt, and then it turns that questionable grey-like colour. Well, with the steam, it's going to quickly clean that grout for you, so there's no need for scrubbing. Now, your bathroom sink and faucet is a magnet for limescale and hard water, so give it a weekly steam, which will literally melt away any limescale and give you that shine. Now, we're not going to forget about a glass shower and doors, which can also be steam cleaned in order to dissolve all of that soap scum and hard water stains on the doors or the enclosure, so your glass can stay clean and clear. Now, did you know that your toilet hinges are breeding ground for bacteria? So steam can blast away that bacteria and disinfect at the same time. Now, in the bedroom, we've got the mattress. Have you ever thought about what's living on your mattress? Well, steam will kill dust mites and any funky odours, all the while refreshing your bed so you can sleep like a dream. You're welcome. Now, there's so much more that you can steam clean throughout the home. I hope you found the ones I've mentioned today most helpful. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out the next 2 videos coming up.